Hey everyone, Umair here, and welcome back to Realty Solutions, your go-to channel for navigating the real estate market. Today we're tackling a question that I know weighs heavily on many aspiring homeowners. Is it possible to secure a mortgage with bad credit? The short answer is yes, it's definitely achievable. It's no secret that a good credit score is crucial when applying for a mortgage. It's how lenders assess your financial responsibility and ability to repay the loan. But don't worry if your credit score isn't where it needs to be. We'll break down practical steps you can take to improve your chances of mortgage approval, even with less than perfect credit. We'll explore proven strategies, government-backed loan options, and expert advice to empower you on your homeownership journey. Make sure to stick around until the end of the video, where I'll share a bonus tip that could significantly increase your chances of getting approved. And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future real estate tips and tricks. Before we dive into solutions, let's understand the driving force behind mortgage approvals: your credit score. This three-digit number can significantly impact your ability to secure a mortgage and the terms you'll be offered. Your credit score is a three-digit number that represents your credit worthiness. It's calculated based on your credit history, including your payment history, the amount of debt you have, and the length of your credit history. It's like a financial report card that lenders use to gauge your ability to manage debt. Lenders rely heavily on this score to determine how likely you are to repay borrowed money. Think of it like this. A higher credit score tells lenders that you're more likely to repay your mortgage on time, making you a less risky borrower. This can lead to better loan terms and lower interest rates. On the other hand, a lower score might raise concerns, potentially leading to higher interest rates or even loan rejections. Lenders may see you as a higher risk, which can complicate your home buying process. But don't fret if your credit score isn't where you want it to be. Many people start with less than perfect scores and improve them over time. The good news is that it's not set in stone. With consistent effort and responsible financial habits, you can raise your score. You can definitely improve it over time with responsible financial habits. This includes paying your bills on time, reducing your debt, and avoiding new credit inquiries. The first step is to know where you stand. Regularly checking your credit score helps you stay informed and take action when necessary. You can obtain your credit report for free from each of the three major credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. These reports provide a detailed look at your credit history. I'll leave links to these resources in the description below. Make sure to take advantage of these free reports to monitor your credit. Once you have your credit report, take some time to review it carefully. Understanding the details of your report is crucial for maintaining a healthy credit score. Look for any errors or inaccuracies that could be dragging down your score. Even small mistakes can have a big impact. You'd be surprised how often mistakes happen, and correcting them can make a significant difference. Ensure all the information is accurate and up to date. Common errors include incorrect personal information, accounts that don't belong to you, or inaccurate payment histories. These mistakes can unfairly lower your score. If you spot any discrepancies, don't hesitate to dispute them with the respective credit bureau. Correcting these errors can improve your score quickly. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding your credit score is the first step towards achieving your homeownership dreams. Taking control of your credit can open doors to better financial opportunities. In the next chapter, we'll explore actionable steps to boost your credit score and increase your chances of mortgage approval. Stay tuned for practical tips and strategies to help you on your journey to homeownership. Now that you have a clearer picture of your credit score, let's shift our focus to improving it. Improving your credit score is a journey that requires dedication and strategic planning. Remember, a higher credit score translates to better mortgage terms and lower interest rates, saving you thousands of dollars over the life of your loan. This can make a significant difference in your financial stability and future planning. One of the most effective ways to boost your score is to consistently make your payments on time. This simple habit can have a profound impact on your overall credit health. This includes everything from credit card bills and student loans to utility bills and rent payments. Ensuring timely payments across all these areas shows lenders that you are reliable and financially responsible. Payment history makes up a significant portion of your credit score, so even small improvements in this area can have a substantial impact. It's crucial to stay organized and keep track of all your due dates. Next, let's talk about credit utilization. This is another key factor that lenders look at when assessing your creditworthiness. This refers to the amount of credit you're using compared to your total available credit. Keeping this ratio low is essential for a healthy credit score. Ideally, you want to keep your credit utilization below 30%. This means not maxing out your credit cards and maintaining a balance that is manageable. For example, if you have a credit card with a $10,000 limit, try to keep your balance below $3,000. This demonstrates to lenders that you are not overly reliant on credit. Another powerful strategy is to pay down existing debt aggressively. Reducing your debt load can significantly improve your credit score. Start by creating a budget and identifying areas where you can cut back on expenses. A well-thought-out budget is the foundation of effective debt management. Then, prioritize paying down high-interest debts, such as credit card balances, as quickly as possible. This will save you money on interest and help you become debt-free faster. I know it can be tempting to close credit card accounts once you've paid them off, but try to resist the urge. Keeping these accounts open can actually benefit your credit score. Closing accounts can actually hurt your credit score by reducing your total available credit and increasing your credit utilization ratio. It's better to keep them open and use them responsibly. Instead of closing accounts, consider keeping them open and using them sparingly. This shows lenders that you can manage credit wisely without falling into debt. This demonstrates to lenders that you can manage credit responsibly without maxing out your cards. Responsible credit management is key to maintaining a good credit score. Building a positive credit history takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. Patience and consistency are your allies in this journey. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to improving your credit score and increasing your chances of securing a mortgage with favorable terms. A better credit score opens doors to more financial opportunities and stability. Now, let's explore some specialized mortgage options designed specifically for borrowers with less than perfect credit. These options can open doors that you might have thought were closed forever. Government-backed loans like FHA loans and VA loans can be a game changer for those who thought homeownership was out of reach. These loans are designed to help people with less than ideal credit scores achieve their dream of owning a home. FHA loans, insured by the Federal Housing Administration, are known for their flexible credit requirements and lower down payment options. This makes them an attractive choice for many first-time homebuyers. Even with a credit score as low as 580, you might be eligible for an FHA loan with a down payment as low as 3.5%. This can make a significant difference in your ability to afford a home. VA loans, guaranteed by the Department of Veterans Affairs, offer even more lenient credit requirements and often require no down payment at all. This can be a huge advantage for those who qualify. These loans are available to eligible veterans, active duty military personnel, and surviving spouses. If you fall into one of these categories, a VA loan could be an excellent option for you. Another option to consider is a USDA loan, offered by the United States Department of Agriculture. These loans are specifically designed to help people in rural areas. USDA loans are designed for low to moderate income borrowers in rural areas and come with flexible credit guidelines and low down payment requirements. This can make homeownership more accessible for many families. While these government-backed loans offer incredible opportunities for homeownership, it's important to note that they typically come with additional fees and mortgage insurance premiums. These costs can add up, so it's important to budget accordingly. However, for many borrowers, the benefits of lower credit requirements and down payment assistance far outweigh the extra costs. These advantages can make the dream of homeownership a reality for many who might otherwise be unable to afford it. Remember, qualifying for these loans depends on various factors, including your credit score, debt-to-income ratio, and the property you're interested in purchasing. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in the approval process. It's always best to consult with a qualified mortgage lender to discuss your specific financial situation and determine which loan options are right for you. They can provide valuable insights and help you navigate the complexities of the mortgage process. Now let's talk about the impact of a larger down payment on your mortgage approval and terms. While it might require more upfront savings, a substantial down payment can significantly improve your chances of getting approved, even with bad credit. Think of it this way: a larger down payment reduces the lender's risk. When you put more money down, you're demonstrating a stronger financial commitment to the property, making you a more attractive borrower. A larger down payment also lowers your loan-to-value ratio, LTV, which is the amount of money you're borrowing compared to the value of the property. A lower LTV signals to lenders that you're less likely to default on your mortgage, leading to more favorable interest rates and loan terms. Not only does a larger down payment improve your chances of approval, but it can also save you thousands of dollars over the life of your loan. With a smaller loan amount, you'll accrue less interest over time, resulting in significant long-term savings. If you're struggling to save for a larger down payment, don't worry, there are options available. Consider exploring down payment assistance programs, which offer grants or low-interest loans to help cover a portion of your down payment. Remember, every little bit counts when it comes to saving for a down payment. Even if you can't afford a 20% down payment right away, aim to save as much as you can comfortably afford. Navigating the mortgage process can feel overwhelming, especially if you have bad credit. That's why it's crucial to seek professional advice from experienced mortgage lenders and real estate agents. A qualified mortgage lender can assess your financial situation, explain your loan options, and guide you through the entire mortgage application process. They can also help you determine your eligibility for government-backed loans and down payment assistance programs. Don't hesitate to shop around and compare rates and terms from multiple lenders before making a decision. Each lender has its own underwriting guidelines and risk tolerance, so it's essential to find one that aligns with your specific financial profile. In addition to a mortgage lender, consider working with a reputable real estate agent who understands the challenges of buying a home with bad credit. A seasoned agent can provide valuable insights into the local market, negotiate on your behalf, and connect you with other professionals, such as real estate attorneys and home inspectors. Remember, buying a home is a significant financial decision, and seeking expert guidance can make all the difference. Don't be afraid to ask questions, clarify any doubts, and advocate for your best interests throughout the process. Congratulations on taking the first step towards achieving your homeownership dreams. Remember, securing a mortgage with bad credit is definitely possible with the right knowledge and strategies. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more real estate tips and advice. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. See you next time.